Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So this is tutorial number 3 of our to the game platform series. So in the last video we have added a flare to our scene. So in this video guys, what we are going to do will be we are going to add animation to this character, and later on we will attach a script to this character so we can be able to control the character. So let's get back to work. So first thing we need to do, we need to add animation. So just go to the animations tab. So in case the animation tab is not here, or you don't have an animation tab, or you are not able to see the animation tab, so the very first thing that you need to do, you need to click this window tab, and then from the drop down you can select the animation, or you can just press the Ctrl plus 6 so to get the animation in the bottom. So by selecting the animation tab, you can click create to begin the animation. So we just click create, and then I will go where the project is located, so to the game project, and then select the folder and into the assets where we have the animations. So we can just name idle for these animations. I just click save, and now we need to add a property for that animation. Now I'll just select the animation that we are going to add. So for example, if this is the frames or the images that we are going to add, so we can just select all of the image, and then we can just drag it, and here in the sample frame rate we can just adjust the number. Now if I am going to play the animation, so we should see the character is idling, so it is playing the idle animation, as you can see. So our character is playing the idle. Now the next thing that we are going to do will be if we are going to select the flare, we are going to create a script. So I will just create a script here. So C# script, and I will name it player controller, or you can name it however you like. And then so right now our player is so as you can see here, so our character is playing the idol, and right now it is looping, but we cannot control our player. So let's close this one. Let's open the player controller, open it with your favorite editor. Right now I'm using the Monodevelop because it's much faster to load compared to Visual Studio. So here I will just remove this one. I'll just remove this one. Let's declare here private rigid body 2D RB private float move speed. I will set it to 5.0 float, and you know need also to declare a float X move. I will call this the X move direction, in the void start, we are going to initialize the rigid body. So RB was get component, type will be rigid body 2D. Okay, open close parenthesis, and in the update we can write x move direction equals input, the input that gets access, and then we can type horizontal only, horizontal. Okay, and here we can write rb.velocity. So velocity is a vector too, so in the rigid body, so we can just create a new vector too, open close parenthesis. This one will be move speed times x move direction, then the rb dot velocity dot y, rb dot velocity dot y. Okay, so now what will I will just leave it like this one, and let's try what's gonna happen with this line of codes. So let's close this one and then select the player. Okay, let's select the player and then attach the script. Select the player and attach the script. Okay, now let's try to play if we can move our player. So as you can see guys, we can move the player, but this is not enough. In the next video guys, we will continue working with this player, so we will add more control to our players, so we can add a jump whenever the user press some keys in our keyboard. So we will play also the animation. So that is what we are going to do in the next video guys, so please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have some question, write it in the comment box. We are going also to fix maybe these keyframes from our animation. So that's what we are going to do in the next video guys. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.